Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Settings because that's where iOS exposes animation controls. Go to Accessibility right arrow motion right away. Once there, you can toggle Reduce Motion to remove parallax and transition effects or enable Prefer Crossfade for smoother fades. Next, open Settings right arrow Wallpaper and choose New Wallpaper so you can pick a live photo, dynamic, or still image. Make sure Perspective Zoom is set the way you want. These two places, Motion and Wallpaper, are where most animation behavior is controlled, so once done with the initial screens, change each toggle deliberately. Turn Reduce Motion on to remove the zoom and 3D parallax, or off to restore full movement. This directly affects app open animations and the home screen. Make sure Prefer Crossfade is enabled if you prefer fades versus motion. Then set a live photo as wallpaper and decide whether Perspective Zoom stays on for parallax. If you want a true still, choose Photos, right arrow, make Key Photo, or convert the live photo to a still before applying it. Now test what you changed. Open several apps, swipe between screens, and lock then unlock to observe transitions. If something still feels off, make sure iOS is up to date and retry toggling Reduce Motion and Prefer Crossfade. Sometimes state needs refreshing. If animations remain stuck, restart the iPhone. The single best troubleshooting move is to toggle Reduce Motion off then on or vice versa, and reboot. Only use Reset All settings as a last resort, because it clears Wi-Fi and preferences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.